Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss about digital marketing. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing that is nothing but an online marketing, or it may be an internet marketing. It may be an any kind of definition we can able to give. Nowadays, all the companies, they are making their business through only online. So when it comes to digital marketing, which is used to push your product into the market with the help of internet. So that's what your digital marketing is. So internet is actually doubled. Internet users are double the amount nowadays when we are comparing to the past decade. And when you are just going to buy a product, it should reach the correct peoples who can able to buy your product. It must reach the correct people who can able to buy your product. So this digital marketing main motive is to promote your product to the right people who can able to buy your product or who is in the needed for your product. We are just going to market our product to the particular people. So we are having a 10 billion plus peoples who are using an internet nowadays. So in this 10 billion peoples who and all needed for your product, we need to identify, we need to research, and we need to promote our business to the particular people. So this is what actually the digital marketing will do. So when we are going for your previous marketing, so before the digital marketing, we have some marketing which is known as traditional marketing. So when it comes to this digital marketing, it is having a lot of ways to do the digital marketing. So mostly the digital marketing is nothing but which you are going to perform in the internet, which is known as digital marketing. So when it comes to traditional marketing, in the previous decade, we used to go ahead with only traditional marketing. So for example, TV advertisement, newspaper, radio, and then this banners, and then in bus stop, railway station, we used to put this banners and all. So this and all are traditional marketing. So what's the main difference between the digital marketing and traditional marketing? So when you are going for a traditional marketing, the thing is we can't tell that we are reaching the right peoples. So it will increase the cost of the marketing. Okay, so we need to put a lot of amount for marketing only. So it is expensive. And one more thing is it is actually very difficult to handle. So that is and also some disadvantage of traditional marketing. So when it comes to digital marketing, the main advantage of digital marketing is low cost, and we can able to identify that we are reaching and right people. So that's what your digital marketing advantages. The next thing is types of digital marketing. So we are having, when you are going for an digital marketing, we are having a lot of types. So for example, search engine optimization. So what is the search engine optimization? Search engine optimization, that is nothing but based on the search term. Okay, you are just going to get your website. So in other words, we can able to tell process of improving your website for more visibility. So based on the search, so that's what your search engine optimization is. The people who are searching for the particular product, they are that actually looking for your product maybe. So when you are just going for this search engine optimization, the people who are searching, we can able to fetch our product to the people who in need. So search engine optimization is very important in digital marketing. So the next thing is pay per click. So when you are going for a pay per click, it is used to increase the traffic to your websites. So when some people is clicking the advertisement, you are just going to pay. So that's what your pay per click is. So the best example for pay per click is Google advertisements. So one business can able to get their advertisement based on the search term, and if the people clicks the advertisement, that is known as your pay per click. So when you are simply going for social media marketing, the social media marketing, that is nothing but Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, this and all your social media marketing. When it comes to content marketing, so content marketing is nothing but known as a strategic marketing. It is going to give an approach to focus more on creating a valuable and relevant content to attract your audience. So this will help us to drive a profitable customers. So this content marketing is another important term in your digital marketing. So the next thing is email marketing. This is nothing but promoting our business through your emails. So that's what your email marketing is. So when next thing is mobile marketing. Mobile marketing, that is nothing but nowadays smartphones is very important for the peoples, for everyone. Okay. So we are actually going to create the trends and we are just going to increase the people's engagement and conversion based on the mobiles. So when you are just going for your mobiles, we can able to create some applications for your product. So for example, Amazon, Flipkart, those peoples are having an mobile applications. So based on those things, we can able to increase your customers. So for example, one more example for this mobile marketing is Domino's Pizza. So when the people are signing up for this mobile application, they will be giving some different offers. So this and all your mobile marketing. So the final step is in digital marketing type is market analysis. So market analysis is very important. The people who are looking for the product, we need to analyze them. So that is known as even market analysis. So that usage of internet, it's more nowadays. So we need to analyze and we need to approach the exact peoples who are in the need. So that is known as your market analysis. First, we need to analyze the market for the product and we need to push our product to the particular peoples. So for this market analysis, we are having a lot of tools. So for example, Google AdWords, and we are having an SEO tools, and then we are having a keyword research tool. So this kind of tools we need to process when you are simply going for marketing analysis. So as we already said, why we need this digital marketing is because it's a low cost, low space, and more power. And the very important thing here is keyword research. So keyword research is very important in digital marketing. So what does mean by keyword research? So for example, if one particular people is searching for an headset and your product, you are just pushing your details about the headset. So when you are typing something in a headset, you need to get your website to be top or your application to be top or in Amazon, your list to be top. So for this perspective, people will search for low cost headset or people will search for best headset. So what is your headset is? So first we need to research those things. So the keyword research is very important. The another thing is content development. So developing and content is very important in SEO. SEO, it is an having a lot of algorithms to get the websites to be top. So when you are going for this content, content is a very important thing which is used to get the web pages visibility. So one good content will always derive the more audience. So content is very important for the peoples. And in email marketing, comparatively to these types of marketing, the best marketing is SEO, pay-per-click, social media marketing. Preferring an email marketing is quite expensive. So people, they won't prefer email marketing much. Search engine optimization, it will give you more time, okay, but it won't we won't get an instant result when you are going for an SEO. It will take some time to get your web pages to be indexed in a search term. That instant result we can able to get pay-per-click and social media marketing. But the challenge here is for the pay-per-click and social media marketing is we need to approach or we need to get the right peoples. We need to target the right peoples in this 10 billion users in social media. So that is an important challenge which we are having in your digital marketing. Scope for digital marketing is more. the reason being is nowadays all the peoples they are using internet only. Everyone using internet only. So for example, if they want to get some product, the very first thing is people are referring in Google, and then only they are deciding which product to be buy. So scope for digital marketing is more, and mostly the marketing companies they will target digital marketers and will get a very good salary for digital marketing. And we are having a lot of opportunities for digital marketing in freelancing. So future is entirely on digital marketing. It's not based on traditional marketing, because traditional marketing is very expensive. So people they won't prefer the traditional marketing for their business. They will prefer digital marketing, and mostly the people's using only internet. So digital marketing is always best. So we'll get a very much openings for digital marketing. For freshers and for experienced candidates, digital marketing is having a very good scope. Thank you.